Components of a vector. In the Cartesian coordinate system, any vector A vector can be resolved into three components along x, y and z directions. Consider a three-dimensional coordinate system. With respect to this, a vector can be written in component from us. A vector is equal to axi cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. In a two-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system, the vector A vector is given by A vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. If A vector makes an angle theta with x-axis and ax and ay are the components of A vector along x-axis and y-axis respectively. Ax is equal to a cos theta, ay is equal to a sin theta. So a is equal to root of a squared x plus a squared y. Vector addition using components. The two vectors a vector and b vector in a Cartesian coordinate system can be expressed as a vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Then b vector is equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Then the addition of two vectors is equivalent to adding their corresponding x, y and z components. Then the addition of two vectors is equivalent to adding their corresponding x, y and z components. A vector plus b vector is equal to ax plus bx bracket I cap plus bracket ay plus by j cap plus az plus bz into k cap. Similarly, the subtraction of two vectors. Multiplication of vector by a scalar. A vector multiplied by a scalar lambda result in another vector lambda a vector. If lambda is a positive number, then lambda a vector is also in the direction of a vector. If lambda is a negative number, so lambda a vector is the opposite direction of the vector a vector. Scalar product of two vectors. Definition. The scalar product of two vectors is defined as the product of the magnitudes of both the vectors and the cosine of the angle between them. So the formula is a vector dot b vector is equal to ab cos theta. A vector dot b vector is always a scalar. It is positive if theta is less than 90 degree and it is negative. If theta is less than 90 and then greater than 80, so it is positive. Then scalar product is commutative. A vector dot b vector is equal to b vector dot a vector, and then it obeys distributive law. A vector dot bracket b vector plus c vector in bracket is equal to a vector dot b vector plus a vector dot c vector. A கொண்டு என்ன செய்றோம் ஓவர் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். Then the angle between the vector theta is equal to cos inverse bracket a vector dot b vector by ab. A vector dot b vector is equal to ab cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse a vector dot b vector by ab. Then when the vectors are parallel, so theta is equal to 0 degree and cos 0 is equal to 1. A vector dot B vector maximum, that is equal to AB. AB cos theta cos 0 1, so we get AB. Next one, when the vectors are anti-parallel. When theta is equal to 180 degree, so cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Then A vector dot B vector minimum, that is equal to minus AB. Scalar product of two vectors, 7th point. If two vectors A vector and B vector are perpendicular to each other, then their scalar product A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, because cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Then the vectors A vector and B vector are said to be mutually orthogonal. Then 8th point, the scalar product of a vector with itself is termed as a self dot product and is given by A vector the whole square is equal to A vector dot B vector, that is equal to AA cos theta. Then A squared cos theta, cos 0 is equal to 1, so we get A squared. The magnitude or norm of the vector A vector is modulus of A vector is equal to A is equal to root of A vector dot A vector. And then in case of a unit vector is n cap, so n cap dot n cap is equal to 1 into 1 into cos 0 is equal to 1. For example, I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. In case of orthogonal unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap, so I cap dot j cap is equal to I cap dot k cap is equal to k cap dot I cap is equal to 1 dot 1 cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So the unit vector எடுத்துக்கிட்டா self dot vector இருந்தால் that value is equal to 1. So opposite vectors அது இருந்துச்சுன்னா that values is equal to 0. In terms of components, the scalar product of A vector and B vector can be written as A vector dot B vector is equal to AX I cap plus AY j cap plus AZ k cap dot BX I cap plus BY j cap plus BZ k cap. So AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ plus AZ BZ with all other terms 0. The magnitude of vector modulus of A vector is given by modulus of A vector is equal to A is equal to root of A squared AX plus A squared AY. The modulus of A vector is equal to A is equal to root of AX squared plus AY squared plus AZ squared. The vector product of two vectors is defined as another vectors having a magnitude equal to the product of the vector magnitudes of two vectors and the sign of the angle between them. The direction of the product of vector is perpendicular to the plane containing the two vectors. In accordance with the right hand rule or right hand thumb rule. So C vector is equal to A vector cross B vector is equal to AB sin theta into n cap. So C vector is equal to A vector cross B vector. Then A vector cross B vector is equal to minus of B vector cross A vector. So minus C vector is equal to P cross B vector cross A vector. Then minus of C vector is equal to B vector cross A vector. Properties of vector cross product. The vector product of any two vectors is always another vector whose direction is perpendicular to the plane containing these two vectors. That is orthogonal to both the vectors A vectors and B vector, even though the vectors A vectors and B vectors may or may not be mutually orthogonal. சரியா, ஆர்த்தோகனலாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா இல்லாமலே இருக்கலாம். Then the vector product of two vectors is not commutative. காம்படேட்டிவாக இருக்காது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ A vector cross B vector not equal to B vector cross A vector. But A vector cross B vector is equal to minus of B vector cross A vector. Then the vector product of two vectors will have maximum magnitude when sin theta is equal to 1, that is theta is equal to 90 degree. So A cross B, A vector cross B is equal to AB n cap. The vector product of two non-zero vectors will be minimum when sin theta is equal to 0. A vector cross B vector is equal to 0. The self product cross product that's equal to product of a vector which itself is a null vector. A vector cross A vector is equal to AA sin 0 n cap is equal to 0. Properties of vector cross product. Sixth point, the self vectors product of unit vectors are thus 0. So I cap into I cap is equal to J cap into J cap is equal to K cap into K cap is equal to 0. So அங்கே வந்து 1 1 பார்த்தோம், இங்கே எல்லாம் என்னது நமக்கு 0ன்னு கிடைக்குது. In case of the orthogonal unit vectors J cap, I cap, K cap in accordance with the right hand screw rule, I cap into J cap is equal to K cap, J cap into K cap is equal to I cap, K cap into J cap is equal to K cap.